Hello, my name is Nicky Williams. I live in RNIB Cymru. My sensory loss is I've got no sight at all. I think the medical doctors call it Limberal syndrome or something like that. Liberal syndrome. And the problem is I have with the counsellor is that I've seemed to have loads of letters written in print for me and in braille or audio, and I really find it a bit awkward to read it and understand what's been sent to me, really. I have phoned up a few times and mentioned this to them, and they said, oh, I'm so sorry, but we just cannot do that. The only thing I would like, really, is, as I said, is for them to write down my needs and just send stuff out in audio or braille for me so I can attend meetings or stuff I get, because without those I'd be lost. I wouldn't be able to attend, really, and well, that's all of my story, really. Thank you very much.